So ang item po dito is develop, strengthen, and operationalize mechanism for partnership or networking with private sector. I believe na ipaliwanag po mabuti yan ng mga kasama natin sa ah, tawag dito po yung sa ating CSO po, yung anong pagkakaiba ng private sa CSO and sa volunteer natin. Yan. Pero nevertheless, ito po yung mga non-government natin na mga actors. At dito po sa GK, pinapahalagahan po natin sila. In fact, sa membership po, dun pa lang sa 1.1, hinahanap na po natin sila at establish na po natin yung partnership sa pamamagitan ng pagiging accredited ng council as volunteers, as member ng ating council, ayan, or may partnership tayo sa mga ibang services. So tingnan natin dito sa indicator, presence of mechanism for partnership or networking of the LGU with other local government units, NGAs, private sector, CSO, volunteer groups in the 4 pillars or thematic areas, sister cities program. Ayan, paano kaya kung brother cities naman, Ayan, wala naalala ko lang sa God training. Program with LGU for disaster response, distribution of relief goods, medical services, psychosocial support, and security services. And mobilization of LGU, not just mechanism, but actual MOV for mobilization ang hahanapin natin. So for the MOV, list of CSO, yung iba ang ibinibigay galing sa sanggunian, yung iba galing sa creation ng kanilang DRRM Council, yung iba ay simple listahan na sign ng ating DRRM office, okay po yun. Recognize. Kung may ACDP, okay din po yun. Service level agreement, ayan. So yung iba kasi may accredited sila ng sangguniang bayan, pero yung iba, ang instrument of partnership talaga ay yung mga memorandum of agreement, understanding. So ang usap po dito mga sir, medyo technical lang, dapat daw po pag memorandum, ninonotarize para maging public document. Bagaman hindi naman sinasabing walang visa pag walang. So ang hinahanap lang natin ay notarize. So i-remarks po natin pagka hindi notarize yung kanilang mga MOA MOU with CSO private groups and organized groups. Certificate of accreditation for CSO or volunteers, ayan, sobrang dami, Kaya lang ang concern natin, yung iba rumirekta sa OCD. So kung gustong mag-accredit, ACDB po yun, sa LGU pa rin natin po ibabalik. Wala pong accreditation solely OCD talaga. No? Yung ibabalik po natin sila dun sa proseso ng ACDB, which is nakalodge pa rin dapat sa LGU na. So kausapin natin mabuti mga LGU natin dito sa accreditation through ACDB. So any means of recognition from local, regional, and national given to the LGU. Umattend po sila or nag-participate sa NDRM. Ang problema lang namin dito nung pandemic kasi puro virtual. So pipicturean nila yung sarili nilang nandun sa virtual room, okay na. No? Pero ngayon, any means of recognition, siguro supported din ng mga post-activity report. Hindi lang basta nag-participate, pumunta ka doon, umupo ka doon, participation na ba yun? So ano talaga yung actual participation natin? At syempre, dahil document-based din ito, document review, post-activity report. Okay? Sign approved contingency plan, incident action plan. Kasi po, kung sila ay recognize talaga na volunteer at yun ang gagawin nila, maaring instrument of partnership na yun. Kasi identified sila, kasama sila nung nag-workshop. Nung binuo yung plano, nung niratify yung plano. And sa rating guide naman natin, mechanism for partnership or networking of LGUs with other networks, with other local government units, NGAs, private sector, and volunteer in all of the 4 pillars automatic area, PREVMIT, disaster preparedness, response, rehab, and recovery. Any means of recognition, ay karaniwan yun, yung certificate, ano? O plaque, pinicturean yung plaque. Interoperability outside of area of responsibility in mobilizing LGUs. Kung tumulong tayo doon, ang problema, ang hirap mong i-document nito. Nakakahiya naman, tumulong ka, pinipilit mong bigyan ka ng recognition. So ano dapat ang ipopresent mo na MOV? Yung actual na logbook na tumawag, nanghihingi, nagdi-distress call, di ba? Yung document, o kaya post-activity report, post-action report, na nag-respond kayo doon, parang pwede nyo i-address kay Mayor yun eh. Kasi accomplishment siya ng Dream 2. Ano po? So yun ang mga hanapin natin sa kanila. And doon naman sa 2, ABC po ha, kung enemies of recognition, interoperability outside, and mechanism for partnership. 3 po ang score. Bigyan natin ng 2 pag may mechanism of partnership sa ating mga CSO in any of the 2 of the 4 thematic area. So pag na less than less than 4, ayan, pwede na natin bigyan ng 2 yan. Any means of recognition and mobilization. So wala sinabing outside, mobilization lang. Within their LGU lang, 2 lang po yan. And 1 kapag there is mechanism of partnership with the CSOs and mobilization during emergencies and disasters. Okay? Not just naman sa IMT, pati sa AOC. Kung working naman, nag-augment sa AOC, no? Hindi lang yung nasa IMT. Pwedeng i-recognize na natin. And 1, if there is mechanism for, yun na nga yung 1, kung wala po talaga mapakita, partnership here. Okay? So proceed tayo sa 6.2. Ito, masaya tong 6.2 na ito. Paramihan to na certificate. Indicator. 6.2. Participation on other external activities set by higher dream councils. Kung nandun tayo sa municipal, or city, yung pong conducted ng province. Kung province naman po, conducted by the regional or national dreams. Indicator, number of external activities set by higher dream councils participated. Ang MOV natin, Certificate of Attendance, Participation after Activity Report. Yung iba nga ay uma-attend ng pa-training ng OCB, laban na. Yan. O, di ba? Napa-training ka na, meron ka pang MOV sa GK or sa LDRIMCO assessment. Huwag daw gamitin yung GK eh. Nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill sa 4th quarter. Ito naman, may memorandum po ito tayong nilalabas. So, participations activities ng Higher Dream Council. No? Pero pag kinandak natin, tayo po yung nakiisa, pwede na po yun. Or nakiisa sila yung ina-assess natin. NDRM related activities, ayun. So, ang dami nating activities ngayon. Webinar, forum, and kick-off. More than one is many, di ba? Gawad kalas. Yan. Pag nagsali sa GK, meron mo, ang indicator sa LDRIMCO assessment is to join the LDRIMCO assessment para maging GK still awardee. So yan, para magka-ID, hinihingan ka ng ID. Parang gano'n. Anyway, activities set by Higher Dream Council kasi, the National Dream Council. DRM-related training, DRM-related seminars or forum. Kung may binigay na virtual, tanggapin na po natin. Basta mayroong proper documentation, AAR, ano yung mga pwedeng ways forward pa nila. No? Hindi lang basta training. Tsunami-related initiatives as applicable. Kung nakiita doon sa mga World Tsunami Day, na initiative or commemoration. Other DRM-related activities conducted by the higher dream councils or stakeholders as directed by the RDRIMC. Kunwari, yung, ewan ko, yung ibang region nata, merong Rescue Olympics. Namin kasi wala. So, kung bigay nilang MOB yung Rescue Olympics na initiated by the NDRIMC, okay. Diba? So, yun po yung mga example na pwede nating DRM-related activities. So, kung meron po silang 5 or more identified activities, pwede natin bigyan ng 3 point. 3 to 4 identified activities within the year, 2 point, and 1 to 2 identified activities, 1 point, and no participation. I believe wala namang nagiging zero dito. No? Kung no participation, zero. Sayang naman. Kahit 1, wala man lang napuntahan. Okay, so I believe yun po, hanggang 6.2 lang yung ating sa participation and partnership. Thank you po. Back to you na po sa ating secretary.